We have hundreds of inaccessible PDFs on our site. Do they all require remediation? We understand it can feel daunting to start the remediation process based on the volume of documents on your site. However, documents are required to be accessible to comply with several accessibility laws and conform with WCAG. You can start by organizing your documents according to their highest usage and visibility on your site. This will give you a roadmap to start the remediation process. When it comes to legacy documents, the first thing you can do is decide if they are still accurate and relevant. If they're not, they may be worth removing from your site. From there, you can create a more sustainable strategy for creating accessible PDFs. The ADA Title II details specific exceptions for legacy PDFs. These criteria include pre-existing conventional electronic documents if they are no longer in use, and password-protected documents. Make sure to check each relevant law to ensure you're compliant. Get in touch to discuss how we can help you remediate your documents. Accessible Web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.